Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. United States is working on a long-range anti-ship missile AGM-158C LRASM, which is going to be integrated with Boeing P-8 Poseidon aircrafts. Indian Navy is also operating modified version of aircraft called P-8I. It is currently operating the fleet of 8 Boeing P-8I planes, and few days back Navy has received its 10th P-8I. Indian Navy is to get total of 12 P-8Is and remaining 2 are expected to be delivered by the last quarter of this year. Now there is some important news coming up related to long-range anti-ship missile that is to be integrated with these P-8Is. But before we proceed further, it's important that we understand some basic capabilities of this aircraft. P-8Is are also called Death from Sky for submarines and warship. It is not just any other plane but is equipped with advanced electronics and communication to perform surveillance, reconnaissance and electronic jamming. It has capability to detect submarines deep inside the water, and for this it need not to fly low. From air itself, it can launch torpedoes on submarines. P-8I has 6 hard points where it can carry Harpoon Block II anti-ship missiles. It is a solid fuel propelled missile with a range of 67 nautical miles. These missiles provide it capability to engage even warship and ground targets as well. It has an internal weapon bay to launch torpedoes on submarines. It is equipped with Mk-54 lightweight torpedoes. These torpedoes can be launched from sky at an altitude of 30,000 feet. The internal bay can also include depth charges and guided bombs. It has capability to carry 129 sonar buoys, which helps to locate enemy submarines and can also be used to launch anti-ship missiles. The P-8I has 2 additional major components: a telephonic APS-143 Ocean Eye AFT radar and a magnetic anomaly detector MAD. APS-143 is a multi-mode radar system that offers broad set of maritime long-range target search detection and tracking modes in sea. Now we will talk about AGM-158C LRASM long-range anti-ship missile. LRASM is a stealthy anti-ship cruise missile developed for US Navy and Air Force. The missile can be launched from multiple platforms such as F-A-18 Super Hornet, B-1B Lancer bomber, F-35 and Boeing P-8 Poseidon. Now this missile can carry 450 kg of warhead and can fly at a subsonic speed. LRASM will fly towards its target at medium altitude and then drop to low altitude for a sea skimming approach to counter anti-missile defenses. It has varying range from 370 to 560 kilometers depending on the weapon load. Last year, the work on the integration of LRASM missile had started into Boeing P-8 Poseidon operated by US Navy. Upon the successful integration of AGM-158C, it will replace the Harpoon anti-ship missiles in P-8 Poseidon aircraft, boosting their anti-ship capabilities. As per the US media report, India and Australia are the only countries to get this missile integrated with their P-8 Poseidon aircrafts. There are even some media houses claiming this missile to be better than BrahMos missile. However, very important thing and huge difference which they have missed between both of these missiles is that BrahMos is a supersonic missile with a speed above Mach 3 and the American LRASM is a subsonic missile, which means they will have speed less than Mach 1. So it's utter stupidity to call it better than BrahMos. In my opinion, India should propose integration of BrahMos missile with this platform. However, it's highly unlikely because BrahMos missile is a joint venture of India and Russia, whereas P-8I is an American aircraft. However, if possible, the combination of BrahMos and P-8I would be a nightmare for Chinese ships, destroyers and aircraft carriers in the contested waters.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.